Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us again. Thank you for taking a little moment from your day to sit with us.
And I'm Sam, and I'm really grateful that you pressed play today. I hope you're feeling calm, and if not, I hope this episode gives you that softness. Today, we're talking about traveling alone, a topic full of courage, quiet fears, and beautiful growth.
Traveling alone is a unique experience. It's not just about visiting new places. It's about learning who you are when no one is around. It's about discovering your quiet strength.
Yes, solo travel is emotional. Sometimes it feels scary, sometimes peaceful, and sometimes magical. And every feeling is valid.
Listener, maybe you've traveled alone before, or maybe the idea scares you a little. Either way, today we're going to explore it slowly and gently.
Take a deep breath with us. Just one. Let your shoulders soften. You're here, and we'll go through this together.
Sam, do you remember your very first solo trip?
Yes, I remember it clearly. I was nervous from the moment I left home, but I also felt a tiny spark of excitement that kept me moving.
That spark is special. It's the beginning of courage. My first solo trip was to a nearby town. It wasn't far, but it felt like stepping into a new world. I felt proud of myself afterward, like I had done something important for my soul.
Distance doesn't matter. Even a short trip can bring big emotions. Solo travel is more about bravery than kilometers.
Traveling alone teaches you to trust yourself.
Yes, you learn to make decisions for yourself, where to go, what to eat, how long to stay, and you realize you're capable of more than you thought.
It's like discovering a new version of yourself.
Listener, imagine yourself packing a small bag. You fold your clothes carefully, choose a book, and zip the bag. Your heart beats a little faster, but in a good way.
That feeling, the mixture of fear and excitement, is the heart of traveling alone. It means you're stepping outside your comfort zone.
Sarah, what's your favorite part of solo travel?
Slow mornings, waking up alone in a quiet room, stretching, and feeling like the whole day belongs to you. It's peaceful in a way that's hard to describe.
I love that too. There's beauty in silence.
When I travel alone, I like sitting by the window on buses or trains. Watching landscapes pass by makes my mind feel soft. It feels like I'm moving and healing at the same time.
Windows hold stories. Every city, every field, every sky tells you something without speaking.
Sometimes the best part is simply arriving at a new station.
Yes, that first step into a new place feels powerful. It feels like the world is saying, "Welcome, explore me."
And your heart listens. Listener, you can practice some travel English with us. Where can I buy a ticket?
Which bus goes to the city center?
Is this seat taken?
Simple sentences, but very useful.
Traveling alone also teaches patience.
Yes, long lines, slow buses, delayed trains, they test your calmness, but you learn to breathe and wait.
And waiting becomes easier over time. Sam, have you ever gotten lost while traveling alone?
Oh yes, many times. I once walked the wrong direction for 30 minutes, but strangers helped me, and I ended up discovering a beautiful street by accident.
Sometimes getting lost is part of the adventure. I once got lost in a busy market. I felt scared for a moment, but then I saw a quiet little bakery. I sat there, drank tea, and slowly found my way back.
Bakery rescues are the best rescues.
Traveling alone also teaches gratitude.
Yes, when someone helps you, even in small ways, you feel deeply thankful. A smile, a direction, a kind gesture, they feel bigger than usual.
It reminds you that the world still has gentle people. Listener, Imagine yourself entering a small cafe in a new city. The chairs are wooden, the menu is simple, and the music is soft. You sit by yourself and feel strangely peaceful.
That quiet moment is one of the gifts of traveling alone. It makes you feel connected with yourself.
Some people worry about eating alone when traveling.
Yes, but eating alone can feel beautiful. You taste food slowly, you watch life around you, and you enjoy your own company.
It feels like self-love.
Listener, here are some restaurant sentences.
Can I have a table for one, please?
Can I see the menu?
Can I order this, please?
These help you feel confident when traveling alone.
Traveling alone also teaches you courage in small steps.
Yes, buying a ticket, asking a question, choosing a direction, all these actions build your confidence. They make you stronger without you noticing.
And one day, you look back and realize how much you've grown.
Do you ever talk to strangers when traveling alone, Sarah?
Sometimes, yes. Not long conversations, just small moments. Asking directions, sharing a smile, or talking about the weather. These little interactions make the world feel friendly.
Strangers can surprise you with kindness.
I remember a woman who gave me a chocolate during a long train ride. She didn't speak my language, but her smile felt like home. It's a memory I'll never forget.
Some memories stay forever because they touched your heart.
Listener, if you feel lonely during solo travel, it's okay. Loneliness comes and goes like gentle waves. It doesn't mean you're doing something wrong.
Yes, loneliness is part of the journey, but so is freedom, peace, and courage.
Sometimes the world feels bigger when you travel alone, but sometimes it feels kinder too. You notice little things, the color of buildings, the way people laugh, the softness of the sky. And these details teach you beauty. Traveling alone also helps you understand your limits.
Yes, you learn when to rest, when to eat, and when to stop walking. You listen to your body more gently.
That's a quiet form of self-care.
Listener, imagine yourself standing on a quiet street in a new city. You hear birds, soft footsteps, maybe a bicycle passing by. The world feels calm.
And you realize you're okay. You're safe. You're growing. Sometimes solo travel makes you emotional.
Yes, you feel proud, scared, excited, lonely, and peaceful, all in one day. It's a journey inside yourself, too.
And that journey matters. Sam, what's the most beautiful thing you've seen while traveling alone?
A sunrise from a hill. I was alone, and the whole sky turned gold. I felt like the world was hugging me.
That sounds magical. I once watched the sea alone. The waves felt like a slow heartbeat. I felt small but safe.
The sea always knows how to comfort us.
Listener, remember this. You don't need to be fearless to travel alone. You just need a little courage. The rest you learn on the way.
And courage grows every time you take a small step.
Solo travel is a quiet conversation between you and the world.
And between you and yourself.
And these conversations can heal you.
Thank you for being with us in this long, warm episode.
We hope you feel a little braver, a little softer, and a little more hopeful.
And we hope your next journey, even a small one, feels gentle.
We'll see you again in the next cozy conversation.
Bye for now.